Hey you, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create or make roles in Discord. Alright, first of all, we need to create a server, so tap on the plus icon left in the bottom, go to create my own and then tap on for a club or community. Then give your server a name like role testing and then we go further by create. Alright, we just created a brand new server and from here we go to the arrow just right there and go to server settings. Then here click on roles and this is the place where the magic happens. Alright, then we click on create role and here we will give our role a name, something like best friend. Then give the color, give it blue, that's fine for me now, and then do save changes. We can add more roles by clicking on the plus icon just right here and then give this role another name, better friend, and then make this one green and then do save again. You can create as many roles as you want. Then if we go back, escape, and then go to a person in a server that we want to give the role, click on his name, click on add role, give the role to this person, and if you can see, our name is just blue and we just create and make roles and give people their roles. Alright, if you have questions, please comment them below because then I can help you out. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.